I found you the perfect creamy pre-built keyboard, and it's the Ala F75. This budget keyboard comes with a charging cable, switch puller, and extra switches, which are the Reaper switches. And look at the keycaps. This is also tri-mode connectivity, and I got the model with the shine through keycaps. I've always wanted a stealthy looking keyboard, and I think this really hits the mark. Besides being the best sounding pre-built keyboard, it also has a ton of RGB options. For being under $70, I really don't think you can get any better than this, and I'm honestly probably not going to even mod this keyboard. It is that good out of the box. Just take a listen. Usually you would have to spend hundreds of dollars to get a keyboard to sound like that. Now you can just have it pre-built for 70 bucks. This budget keyboard just restocked with the Reaper switches. There's a very limited supply of the Reaper switch keyboards, and I think this keyboard sells itself.